Hello friends. In this video I will show how to easily duplicate an object in Illustrator. So very simple and easy way. Firstly, add any object. Now press and hold Control Alt. Now drag and drop. So this is the way you can duplicate object. Another way, copy and paste. And another way, if you need multiple duplicate, so click on this plus icon. So you can create multiple duplicate for any object. Another way, press and hold Control Alt and drag and drop. Now press Control D multiple time. So these are ways to create duplicate in Illustrator. Thanks for watching.